Your nervous system treats unread text or emails like a survival threat, then welcome. If one slightly awkward conversation makes you replay in your head again and again, like a Netflix limited series, then welcome. If you say you want to relax and while doing so you unclench your jaw, then welcome. This free mini series is for you. Welcome to the first video of mindfulness based stress reduction mini series. Hello everyone, I am Poonam and this is Zalgova Mind. And today we'll be practicing awareness. As awareness is the first step and this is your first episode, so let's start with something very basic and very easy. This series is not about learning productivity hacks. It's not about good vibes only or pretending to be calm while you are panicking or buffering from inside. This series is about how to regulate your everyday stress before it completely runs your life in the background. Because stress is sneaky. Sometimes it can be overthinking. Sometimes it can be doom scrolling. Sometimes it can be fatigue. Sometimes it can be burnout. Sometimes it can be physical tiredness. While your mind acts like it just woke up and drank like 6 cups of coffee. Most of this happens automatically. So, mindfulness, what it does, it helps us to notice or identify these patterns before we get completely pulled by them. So, uh, just to create a little space between the stress and the reaction, we'll be practicing awareness. So, let's start the practice. And this is going to be very easy and basic practice. So, don't expect much at the moment. We'll go in depth later on. So let's start with something very basic. So just pause for a moment and feel your feet touching the ground. Notice the temperature, the texture, and how does it feel. Now, unclench your jaw. You can do this by bringing your attention to your jaw consciously. And now, relax it. Now, breathe in and then breathe out. Slowly, calmly, breathe out. Notice the body sensations. Just notice them. Now, notice these sounds around you. Notice how it makes you feel. Do you feel comfortable, calm, or frustrated? How does it makes you feel? Notice your thoughts without any judgment. Notice that even with thoughts moving, awareness is already present. Now you can come back. This is where mindfulness begins. Not in perfection, not in peace, but just in noticing. The sky doesn't fight with clouds. That's all for today. Next week, I'll be coming up with a new exercise. As this was the first episode, so I kept it very simple, and awareness is the first step. So practice this and please follow and subscribe if you really liked it or if you want to learn more such practices. That's all for today. Take care of your mind and body.